A memorial has been erected in Montgomery, Alabama to honor thousands of black people killed in lynchings. The National Memorial for Peace and Justice is a project of the nonprofit Equal Justice Initiative. The organization says a museum and memorial will be the nation's first site to document racial inequality in America, from slavery through Jim Crow to the issues of today. The site includes a memorial to the victims of 4,400 terror lynchings of black people in 800 U.S. counties from 1877 through 1950. The monument's April 26 opening will be marked by a concert featuring top acts including Common, Usher, the Dave Matthews Band, and The Roots.